So with the new season of the English Premier League kicking off in a matter of hours, I notice a whole heap of people I call up Liverpool name. Them can tell me everything about my team. How we spend 60 odd million for a goalkeeper, another 60 million for Navigator, another 45 million for Fabinho, 15 for Shaqiri, on top of the 70 odd million for Virgil van Dijk in January. And now Daniel Sturridge is back from injury and back from loan and looking good. But me a beg you no, hop off our fender, all Liverpool hater. Anyway, I'm happy to see some real depth in the Liverpool squad. I feel we have enough to launch a decent assault on the EPL title race. But personally, I still have my concerns about coach Jurgen Klopp and his notorious tendency of driving in third and fourth gear, regardless of the pothole and the corner them in the road. This coach knows nothing about changing down to second and first gear to negotiate pothole and corner. Him only drive in fourth and third. And him no use no brake. The long and short of my argument is that with the money spent and the quality additions to the squad, if Jurgen Klopp improves his situational and game management skills, then Liverpool will be in business. But if Klopp don't stop, jump up and down and get excited and take him eyes off on the road while driving, if he don't learn to change gears and slow down and go easy at certain points along the journey, then Liverpool in trouble. Mr. Klopp, sir, you have to slow down the vehicle. Yes. Slow down the vehicle, Mr. Klopp. Stop, Klopp. Is it not sure? You all right?